In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create 30-minute AI animated films like Zootopia with Sora 2, featuring consistent characters and perfect lip syncing using just one prompt. Here's a teaser.
Morning, everyone. 10 more open cases, and I'm after all of them.
Overachiever much? Relax, carrots.
Got him! No guessing, only working!
All right, new day, new goals, new justice.
Wow, that's a lot of new for one bunny.
Hi, Judy. Nick, guess what I heard?
No guessing, only working.
Carrots, think you can handle a little commitment?
Is that what I think it is?
This is a precinct, not a soap opera.
Ops. I got something for you.
Nick, is that a ring?
This is a police station, not a soap opera.
It's a pen.
But emotionally?
Yeah, it's a ring.
Nick, why would you do that in front of everyone?
Because you look cute when you panic.
That was mad! Right now, creators are uploading AI-generated animated content and pulling in millions of views. Some are making thousands of dollars every month on social media. What a time to be alive. Now, while Sora 2 alone is limited to 15-second clips and requires invitation access, I'll show you how to use it inside Inu AI to create complete 30-minute films, all from a single prompt. And if you stick to the end, I have a giveaway for you. So let's dive in quickly. Every animated film starts with a script, one that includes scene descriptions and dialogue. For this, we're going to use ChatGPT. I've put together a detailed prompt that handles the structure for you. You can find it in my Telegram and WhatsApp channel. Simply copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and replace the placeholder text with your own story idea. If you want to adjust the tone, length, or style, you can modify the prompt to fit your needs. Once you run it, ChatGPT will generate a full breakdown of scenes, each with a summary and dialogue included. Now we move to the part where your script becomes an actual video. For this, I'm using Inu AI, a tool that integrates Sora 2 to produce animation with cinematic quality. What makes this tool useful is that it can generate videos up to 30 minutes long while keeping your characters consistent throughout. That level of consistency is still missing in most AI tools until recently. Inu provides access to Sora 2 without requiring an invitation code. You can use it regardless of your location, and it works on both desktop and mobile devices. Unlike the standalone Sora 2 platform, which has geographic and access restrictions, Inu integrates the technology in a way that's available to a wider user base. You can access the tool through the link in the video description. After signing in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Before we continue, if you find this helpful and want to see more tutorials on AI tools and automation workflows, consider subscribing. I post new content like this every week. Inside the Inu dashboard, navigate to this section and click on the Animation Video button. You'll see three options: Basic Script, if you already have a complete formatted script; Smart Script, if you have a rough idea or outline, like what we just created in ChatGPT; Sample Idea, a pre-made template with scenes and characters if you're starting from scratch. I'm using the Smart Script option and pasting in the idea we generated earlier. Next, choose your video style. There's options for 3D cartoon, full cinematic, horror, realistic, Zootopia, pixel, comic. There's so many choices here. Since my story has a lighthearted, adventurous tone, the Zootopia style fits well. Pick whichever style matches your concept. Then, select your video duration. The tool supports videos up to 30 minutes, but for this demonstration, I'm keeping it shorter. Choose your aspect ratio and language, then click Create. The tool will break your idea into individual scenes. What it generates is a full summary of the video, a cast list, a scene-by-scene script, and a preview of the first scene. You can edit the characters from here. This is how the tool keeps your characters consistent across the entire video. You can either use the characters it generates or create custom ones by entering your own prompt. I'm sticking with the defaults for now to keep things moving. Once you hit Preview Storyboard, the tool generates storyboard images for each scene. In my case, it created 12 storyboards, each one aligned with the script and featuring the same characters throughout. You also have control over the details. If a scene doesn't look right, you can adjust the prompt and click Regenerate to create a new image at no extra cost. I'll go through and make sure each image matches what I had in mind. Once your storyboards are ready, it's time to turn them into video. This is where Sora 2 integration comes in. One of the most powerful features of Video Inu is that you can get unlimited Sora 2 video generations on their Pro and Ultra plans. Now, click the Animate button. You can animate all scenes at once or one at a time. I'll animate a single scene first so you can see the output quality. Select your video model. I'm using Sora AI because it handles motion and lip sync well. Click Confirm and Video Inu will begin animating the scene. Here's the output.
Morning, everyone. 10 more open cases, and I'm after all of them.
Overachiever much? Relax, carrots.
Got him. No guessing, only working.
Morning, everyone. 10 more open cases, and I'm after all of them.
Overachiever much? Relax, carrots.
Got him. No guessing, only working.
Morning, everyone.
The lip sync matches the dialogue, the movement is smooth, and the overall quality is solid. This is why the tool is worth using for this kind of project. Repeat this process for each of your scenes until everything is animated. However, I will animate all at once. Once all your shots are done, click Next. From here, you can add background music for your video. For this tutorial, I'm skipping the option and keeping it simple. Finally, click Generate. In a few seconds, the video is complete.
Morning, everyone. 10 more open cases, and I'm after all of them.
Overachiever much? Relax, carrots.
Got him. No guessing, only working.
All right, new day, new goals, new justice.
Wow, that's a lot of new for one bunny.
Hi, Judy. Nick, guess what I heard?
No guessing, only working.
Carrots, think you can handle a little commitment?
Is that what I think it is?
This is brilliant! You can refine the output further by adjusting your prompts for individual scenes. But even without customization, the baseline quality is strong. That's the full process for creating AI animated videos using Sora 2 in Video Inu AI. You now have the workflow, the tool, and access to the prompt I used. Now, the fun part. I'm giving away 3 Video Inu Pro subscriptions to you, my subscribers. Here's how to enter. First, sign up for Video Inu using the link in the description. Then, leave a comment below sharing what you like about the tool or what you think could be improved. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.